Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our group chose Arthrospira platensis as the species of algae that have a significant impact towards human and environment. Arthrospira platensis is commercially known as Spirulina platensis. It is a green-blue with spiral-shaped filamentous prokaryotic cyanobacterium that thrives in alkaline environment with a pH between 8 and 10 in tropical and semi-tropical lake. It is known to be rich in various biochemical components. So, what makes this species so special? Arthospira platensis has a very high protein content. It contains up to 70% of its dry weight, making it one of the most protein-dense microalgae. Aside from that, Arthospira platensis has a pigment called phycocyanin, which is up to 20%, and it is claimed to have a medicinal benefits. Besides that, it also has various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12 and essential minerals such as iron, calcium, and zinc. Lastly, it has essential fatty acids called gamma linolenic acid or GMA, which is an important omega-6 fatty acids that can only be obtained through diet. It has benefits such as enhancing human growth, brain function, reproductive system, and metabolism.
Spirulina was isolated by P.J. Turpin in 1827, then with Trock and Nostead reported in 1844 a helical, septal, and blue microalgae, which was named Spirulina platensis. However, in the year 1852, the first taxonomic report named this genus as Azospira because of its septa, helical form, and multicellular structure. Then in 1892, they discovered that aseptic was form of the Spirulina genus, and the septal was form of the Azospira genus. However, the Spirulina genus and Astrospira genus were reunified because of the common helical morphology. It belongs to the kingdom Bacteria, which comprises prokaryotic microorganisms. Astrospira platensis is a part of phylum Cyanobacteria, a kind of bacteria that uses photosynthesis as a source of energy. Astrospira belongs to the family Formydiaceae, order Oscillatoria, class of Cyanophyceae, and the genus of Astrospira. It is distinguished from other species in the Astrospira genus by its species name, which is platensis.
Arthrospira platensis spirulina is a spiral shape with thread-like structure called trichomes. These trichomes are made up of cells in a single row, forming filaments that are a few micrometers wide and can grow several millimeters long. Spirulina contains a blue pigment called phycocyanin, which aids in photosynthesis and gives a vivid blue or green color. This is why spirulina products often appear blue or green.
Next up is the nutrition required for Arthospira platensis to grow. The key macronutrients are nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. The most preferred nitrogen source is urea, and for phosphate is potassium phosphate, which are vital for its growth. In addition to these macronutrients, the microalgae also requires a balanced supply of essential micronutrients such as copper, zinc, and iron. These minerals play a crucial role in its growth and metabolic processes. The carbon source is also important. Sodium bicarbonate has been identified as an excellent supplement to enhance the growth and biomass production of Arthospira platensis. Moreover, the pH, temperature, and water quality are all critical factors. Arthospira platensis thrive in alkaline environment, which is between pH 8 and 10. For the temperature, the range is between 13 to 38 degrees Celsius. The water quality needs to be non-chlorinated and filtered to reduce any contaminants. By carefully controlling these nutritional and environmental factors, researchers can manipulate the growth and the biomass of the species to induce cell stress, which in turn produce high EPS, which is exopolysaccharide, that is very beneficial for water treatment.
The habitat of A. platensis is in aquatic environment, mainly in alkaline lakes with high concentration of bicarbonates and tropical environment. Although A. platensis can survive in a wide range of aquatic environment, it has not been proved yet if this algae can live in the marine ecosystem. A. platensis prefer environment with high temperature, which is between 30 to 40 degrees Celsius, and prefer high pH level of environment, which is 8.5 to 11, that help to reduce competition from other organisms. They can easily be found in Lake Texcoco in Mexico and Lake Chad in Africa, since it is their natural habitat. Although it thrives best in water rich in bicarbonate and other minerals, Astrospira platensis may grow in environment with variable light intensity and can adapt to diverse nutrition level. This condition supported its photosynthetic activity, which allow it to produce large amount of biomass. Because Astrospira platensis can thrive in such specific, often extreme environment, make it a resilient organism that may grow on a big scale, both commercial and nutritional purposes.
Next is reproduction system of Arthrospira platensis. Arthrospira platensis reproduce through an asexual reproduction, which is binary fission. In binary fission, the first step involved is DNA replication. DNA replication begins on the origin of replications. Then, at that origin, protein helices unwinding the DNA double helix, producing two single-stranded DNA. Then the two single-stranded DNA was synthesized by DNA polymerase, producing two identical copies of DNA molecule. Then both DNA molecule produced move to opposite ends, making the cell become elongated and form a septum at the center of the cell. Then septum pinch inward of the cell until it completely separates the cell into two daughter cells. As a result, two genetically identical daughter cells are produced.
Significant Arthrospira plantaceae in environment first improve water quality by reducing the concentrations of heavy metals and excess nutrient through absorbed contaminants. Arthrospira remove harmful substance from the water. This process result in cleaner and safer water, benefiting both aquatic life and human use. Second, improve ecosystem through its synergistic effect of pollutant removal and oxygenation to support overall environmental health. This action helps maintain a balanced and thriving aquatic ecosystem, ensuring the well-being of various aquatic species and promoting ecological stability. Other than that, enhance aquatic ecosystem oxygen levels. For the survival of aquatic species, by conducting photosynthesis, Arthrospira release oxygen into the water, thus support the health and vitality of fish and other aquatic organisms. Additionally, it lessens harmful effects by reducing the risk of hypoxia, low oxygen levels, and preventing the occurrence of harmful algae blooms, which can disrupt aquatic ecosystems.
There is a study that has been proven that Astrospira plantatis has potential health benefits, such as it was used for heart health. The protein in Astrospira can reduce the absorption of cholesterol, which will keep the arteries clear. It is also good for eye and oral health because Astrospira is concentrated with a plant pigment, which is zeaxanthin, that can minimize the risk of cataract and vision loss caused by age. Other than that, Astrospira in mouthwash may reduce plaque and gingivitis. Not only that, lab tests show that Astrospira can be used to fight herpes, flu, and HIV. Beside all those benefits, some individuals may have the possibility for adverse reaction. Although high dosage of Astrospira is considered harmless, it may lead to gastrointestinal discomfort for several individuals, such as nausea, bloating, and diarrhea. Some individuals may experience allergic symptoms such as skin rashes, itching, and breathing difficulties. Even though studies show that Astrospira can support the immunity, it could also worsen the condition in people who suffer autoimmune diseases since it will stimulate the immune system. So these people should take extra cautious when taking Asopera. Before consuming Asopera, those people with illness should seek for professional advice. Despite having many benefits, all those mentioned health complications are the negative effect when it comes to its commercial health products. The possibility of contamination with dangerous toxin microcystin, heavy metals, and bacteria is one of the major concerns. If Asopera is harvested from uncontrolled natural environment where other toxic cyanobacteria could coexist, this toxin might be present. This toxic microcystin is lethal and can harm the liver, lead to several health issues, or even worse death if ingested in large amounts. It is important to make sure that Asopera is sourced from reliable suppliers that follow strict quality control so that the risk could be controlled.
Next is about the commercialized product that was made from Arthrospira platensis. This algae contains a lot of properties that offers numerous benefits directly and indirectly to the human. Therefore, a lot of beauty and health products using this algae as their main ingredients. One of the beauty products produced is face mask. Arthrospira platensis is good for skin as it consists a complete protein that contains all necessary amino acids, fatty acid, and also rich in nutrients such as vitamin B and iron. In addition, this algae also contains several antioxidants that aid in skin health. First antioxidant is phycocyanin. Phycocyanin
is the powerful antioxidant that protects skin by eliminate the free radicals. Second antioxidant is beta-carotene, which provide anti-aging effect, thus reduce the appearance of aging and wrinkle sign. Third is vitamin E that support the skin and prevent the damage. Furthermore, Arthrospira platensis also consists of anti-inflammatory compound which known as gamma-linolenic acid. This compound provide many benefits to skin, including reduced skin redness, soothe the skin irritation, hydrated the skin, protect skin from free radical damage, and prevent acne. The second product made from this algae is a health product, which is spirulina powder. Phycocyanin that found in this algae not only benefit for our skin, but it also protect body by block the growth of tumor and kill the cancer cell. Besides phycocyanin, Atrospira patency also rich in vitamin that is essential for maintaining a healthy immune system, such as vitamin E, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. Vitamin E can be very effective to prevent skin problems such as eczema. Vitamin C help to form and maintain bone health necessary in development and repairing body tissue and support immune system. Meanwhile, vitamin B6 help in treat anemia as it responsible in hemoglobin production. Furthermore, this algae also help in weight loss as it contains 60 to 70% of protein. Thus, it will take longer time for body to digest and can resist hunger for a long time. So that's all from our group. Thank you.